So this is the 7am 2M electric toothbrush. Now I just ordered this, so I'm first going to do a quick unboxing of how it came, and then I'm going to show you my first impressions of using it and how I get on with it. But first, let's do a little unboxing, and then I'll tell you what I think. Let's jump into it. Nice solid packaging, which I am just using the knife to get out. There you go. So it opens up this way, and this is what it looks like on the side. Very sleek. Now this, you can see, is how it comes out. Will it turn on straight away? It does indeed. So now I'm going to set it up. See, this comes separately with 6 heads and the charging unit, which is a USB which you can plug into any wall charger. The toothbrush heads are all individually wrapped, so you can tell they're hygienic. Undo it, slot it on, and it does seem to be that simple. Even a funky polish mode, and hold long press it to turn it off. Okay, let's give it a go. First time's the charm. Hello, girl. You know, all in all, I'm actually very impressed with that. Yeah, I'm glad it has different modes because they differ in intensity, but I found the sensitive one worked very well for me, and it actually feels a bit more powerful than other electric toothbrushes that I've used, so I think this is going to do a good job. All in all, I'm pretty impressed.